Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of PancakeSwap, the decentralized exchange that's been making waves on the Binance Smart Chain. With 2025 just around the corner, we'll explore its pros and cons to help you make informed decisions in the ever-evolving crypto world. Let's jump right in. First off, the pros of PancakeSwap are pretty impressive. One of the biggest advantages is its super low transaction fees, often just a fraction of a cent, which makes it ideal for frequent traders or those on a budget. Another win is the speed. Transactions settle in seconds, thanks to the Binance Smart Chain's efficiency, so you won't be left waiting around. Plus, PancakeSwap boasts a massive selection of tokens, giving you access to emerging projects and opportunities for yield farming and staking. This means you can earn rewards on your holdings, turning your investments into passive income streams. But, as with any platform, there are cons to consider. Security is a major concern in the DeFi space, and while PancakeSwap has been audited, there's always a risk of hacks or smart contract vulnerabilities that could lead to losses. It's also heavily reliant on the Binance ecosystem, so if BNB faces any issues, like network congestion or regulatory hurdles, PancakeSwap could be affected too. Additionally, the platform's popularity attracts scams and rug pulls, especially with lesser-known tokens, so you need to be extra vigilant. And let's not forget the competitive landscape. By 2025, newer exchanges might offer better features, potentially overshadowing PancakeSwap. Overall, PancakeSwap is a solid choice for beginners and experienced traders alike, especially if you're already in the Binance world. But remember, crypto is risky. So always do your own research, use hardware wallets, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. What's your experience with PancakeSwap? Drop it in the comments below. Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.